Stop giving your children Bible names without giving them Bible lessons. Can you imagine? I was robbed by Abraham yesterday.
Nigerian police will be like, shut up and start talking. I'm not your friend, my friend. Jesus, I don't want to make my face show.
They say Nigeria is our father's land. I beg, you know our mother's land. I beg, I want to relocate.
Once again, stop taking pictures and you don't see her online again. Just know that she is pregnant. There are people who lie so much
This man!
that even if you see them in hell, they will tell you, I came to visit someone.
Tereo, you asked me for 2K. I say I no get. You go post for your status. Don't forget that table turns. If table like make it somersault, I still no get.
There are people who lie so much that even if you see them in hell, they will tell you, I came to visit someone.